Now let's talk about the center of our galaxy, the heart of the Milky Way, known as the galactic center. This region lies about 27,000 light-years away from Earth, where stars are packed unbelievably close together. Compared to our part of space, the distance between stars there is many times smaller, and hidden deep within this crowded cosmic region lies something truly terrifying, a supermassive black hole. Its name is Sagittarius, a star, the enormous black hole at the center of our galaxy. Its mass is equal to nearly 4 million suns. Just imagine that for a moment, 4 million suns compressed into a single point in space. The mass is so immense yet so tightly packed that if we placed it inside our solar system, it could fit within the orbit of Mercury. It is unbelievably dense. Even a spoonful of its material would weigh more than entire mountains on Earth. Then in 2022, humanity achieved something historic. For the very first time, the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration captured an image of Sagittarius, a star. Humanity finally saw the black hole at the center of our galaxy. It was a groundbreaking moment in human history. After years of research, scientists connected hundreds of telescopes across Earth to create a planet-sized virtual telescope powerful enough to capture this image. That blurry orange ring surrounding a dark shadow is the monster sitting at the heart of the Milky Way. Thankfully, we are 27,000 light-years away, so there is no immediate danger to us. But it's still incredible to realize that our entire solar system, our Earth, and every one of us is orbiting this single supermassive black hole. Sagittarius A star is the gravitational anchor of the Milky Way. Without it, the structure of our galaxy could have been completely different.